Alright Dave, so these are your original injectors here. Injector 1 was always flowing a little more than the others, but on this side over here we have the other replacement Bosch injectors. These are being flowed at 5 bar of pressure per your request. So another thing I guess to note too is that even though they're flowing a little bit less in that scenario there, what you have to see is there's a hole here where there's some coming up out of there because of just the amount of pressure that's coming behind here. It's kind of forcing it up out of there, where it doesn't do it on the original ones, but that's just a difference in the spray pattern a little bit.